गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों टुडे वी आर लर्निंग वन थिंग्स द change is the law of nature. It means outer nature and inner nature. So we are talking about the both कि मतलब how we will bring within changes in outer side and inner side. It is the most important things for the all humanity. If you are really want to change in your life, तो you listen this session until end कि मतलब how you will change your life. मतलब one thing is remember in your mind, if you are listening, if you are understanding to anyone, any personality, any greater personality in your life. I am giving one example in of my life today, and in my life I always follow to Acharya Prasant. He is a great personality in my life. I understand because I have learned so many things from the Acharya Prasant, and after listening the Acharya Prasant, I am not like as before, and all my superstitions, beliefs, assumptions, rituals, traditions starting to diminish and improving my understanding, and now gradually improving my understanding, listening, reading at the superficial level. Now I am understanding what is the neuroscience. Neuroscience, it means physics, chemistry, biologically and psychologically at the neuronal structure of the body we can understand all these things. So this is the neuroscience. It is I have learned from the Acharya Prasant ji. And another one thing is a cognitive science. It means cognitive science is a draw insight the psychologically, philosophically, anthropologist, computer science. We need why we need to learn the neuroscience and cognitive science, because our life is depend on the two things. Our life is made by the matters. So we need understand the neuroscience and cognitive science. Because we need the physically and mental things. Because our body is made by the two things, matter and consciousness. So we need to understand the cognitive things and neuroscience. How both is working together in our life. And another things I have learned from the Acharya ji कि मतलब where you are going to waste your energy, time, money, everything, where you are going to spend, it is a more important thing. And Acharya ji is always telling कि if whatever you are doing in your life, every day you ask to yourself what you have done in whole day, and if you are obstacle in life, if you want to break your any habit, and the habit is continuously in arising in your mind, so you ask to yourself one question: when arising the habit, is it possible, is it important for my life? So this is the things. When you see your thought as they are, so you will break their channel. Automatic the thought will dissolve, and you will get free from your habit and patterns which is made by your ego. Ego is always, we will understand in another things which the major things. So this is the I have learned so many things. So why and another one things Acharya is always telling, the vidya and avidya, it is the most important thing for the vidya and avidya. Everybody learning the education of the avidya. Avidya, it means the knowledge of the material things, and vidya, it is the knowledge of the consciousness, where I am getting the my thought, emotion and everything. So it is the called vidya. So we need together learning the both knowledge, vidya and avidya. So vidya comes from the self knowledge. Self knowledge comes from the matlab whatever you are doing in your life, you observe every day. Suppose the main is the taking experience every day, but you when you take experience and you find out and any residue of the experience, and you go in the deeper side of your residue, and it will become your thought, and another you understand the thought in the deeper side, it will become your self knowledge, and the higher point of the your consciousness, it is called the atman. So it is the most important thing, and it is the purest form, the Lord Shiv and Krishna and Ram. The greatest form of the your consciousness, it is called the Shiv, Ram and Lord Krishna. So we need to understand the one thing, the vidya and avidya. Avidya, it means science. Science is knowing only one thing, fact. But science is never accepting the superstitions, belief, assumptions. Science is always 100% purity in the object. Whatever they are going to experiment, they need 100% purity in the object. But they are not knowing the observer. Who is the observer? The science doesn't have any knowledge of the observer. But the discussions, Vivek is always having the knowledge of the both the object and observer. And another, the lowest stage of the humanity is the belief, imagination. We most of the people, they are living in today's environment in the belief and assumptions, and the belief and assumptions is creating the superstitions, because we do not know who is the believer. The believer is the lies. So how you will, and whatever the believer believe in your life, it will be false illusions. So we need to get the rid from the illusion. It is a more important thing. So so we all need to one great personality in life who can change our inner personality. So I think I have, in my view, nowadays the Acharya Prasad is a greater personality who can teach to Bhagavad Gita. The global Acharya Prasad is a global philosopher, and 100 million people's subscribers and likes to Acharya Prasad, and he has the excellent knowledge, and he has passed the IIT IIM and the CAT exam and UPSC exam, and I am grateful to understand such type of the person who teach to Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ashtavakra Gita, the Sant Sarita, Kabir Sahab, Baba Bulle Shah, and the Sunyata Sapsati, and another things, the Ribu Gita, Ashtavakra Gita, and the Lao Tzu philosophy, and Ashtavakra Gita. There is a so religion scriptures they are teaching to us, so I am grateful that we are learning to Acharya ji and continuously changing in my life. Because earlier I told that the nature is the change is the law of nature. So our inner nature or inner prakriti, it means desire, greed, anger, attachment, ego, and envy. These are the satripu which is existing in the inner side, and all the thought and emotion arising from this satripu, it is from the DNA, it is a darkness place. So we need to understand who is the observer. The ego is arising, ego is attached all this satrifu. The ego born with incompleteness. The ego is born with misery. The ego, misery and incompleteness always demand material things, and the ego is always goes in the outer side to fulfill their desire, but ego is never satisfy, and his desire is never complete, because the it is ego is nature not to fulfill their fulfillment with the material things. It is the nature of the ego, is the real nature of the consciousness is a love, peace, vivek, honesty. Love is the most important thing for the consciousness, and the devotion arise from the knowledge, both realizations. These are the things of the consciousness. So we need to understand the real personality of the in your life. You choose the real personality, so that you will not remain as you before. You will change continuously, because the inner prakriti is changing every moment, each and every moment. Your thought change, you will change. Your emotion change, you will change. Your expression change, everything is change. So we need to observe what is the things is changing in my life, and how I will bring some improvement within the skill understanding to the myself. Because I am the first, I am the own enemy, but we became our friend. So we have to understand कि first कि I am the enemy own self, then I will become our friend. Without understanding or who is the enemy which is inside, so we cannot bring improvement in outer side and inner side. So we need to bring some improvement within the inner side and outer side. We need to develop our personality depend on the both knowledge, out vidya and avidya. So I think you have understand all these things. So thank you very much.